Africa, oh Nigeria, oh Africa, my mother, oh Africa, oh Nigeria, my father, oh Africa, oh Nigeria, my mother, oh Africa, oh Nigeria, oh Africa, my mother, oh Africa, oh Nigeria, my mother homeland, my father homeland, the only country that I belong to, yeah, in this world. Oh Nigeria, oh Nigeria. Election has come, election has gone, so fellow Nigerians, let's come together and rebuild our nation as Mother of Africa. Oh Nigeria, oh Nigeria. For you politicians, for those of you who win the election, you have to try and put Nigeria first as Mother of Africa. That's what we want. For those of you who lose the election, you have to try. For tomorrow's another day. Tomorrow's another day. There is no need to kill our brothers and sisters because of our politics. There's no need to kill our mothers and fathers because of politics. Yes, I'm talking to you, you fellow Nigerians. Nigeria is put first. Nigeria is for everlasting. If you did not win the election, there is no need to kill our brothers and sisters because of politics. If you do not win, your grandchildren may rule the nation tomorrow because Nigeria is forever. But for those of you who win the election, you have to try and make the name of your family so that in future your children will enjoy the name. Oh Africa, oh Nigeria, oh Africa, oh Africa, oh Nigeria, oh Africa, na-etinye breki ị na-etinye weji ọtalise nwe ha obodo breki ọtalise nwe ha na weji ọtalise nwe ha breki ye harami ah ìṣúrù ni o ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ pátápátá ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tán o ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tán o ó ti ṣẹlẹ̀ tán o kò sí gàrí lọ́jà o kò sí epo pupa lọ́jà o kò sí òróró lọ́jà o kò sí iṣu lọ́jà o ààrẹ kí ló dé ṣe bí ẹ pé ra ìyá wa ni ẹ̀yin ìyá lọ́jà ṣe jẹ́ sọ pé ìyá wa lẹ́jẹ́ ẹ fẹ́ pa wá ní o ayé fẹ́ pa wá ní o ẹ ṣàánú wa ẹ ṣàánú ọmọ o ẹ ṣàánú ìyàwó o ẹ ṣàánú ọkọ o ẹ ṣàánú wọn ní ààrẹ o austerity mẹjọjọ pa ló ń jọnu ọjọ ló ń jọ kí ni ó jìde mú kú ó ewe ó jìde mú ó jìde ní sí ẹ ó jìde mú